watching the News Hour Agenda. I'm Padmaja Joshi. It's been just over a year since the Galwan clash, and even now India is carefully negotiating a pullback from several key points with China. But even as that happened, some politicians from our country decided it was a good idea to participate in the centenary celebrations of the Communist Party of China. Among those in attendance were CPIM General Secretary Sitaram Yechuri, D. Raja of the CPI, S. Senthil Kumar of the DMK, and G. Devarajan of the Forward Bloc. Now, in the seminar that was held online, Chinese ambassador delivered a keynote speech on putting people first and promoting common development. Of course, nothing could be farther from the truth, because not only has China not put people first, it has instead put its own people in containment camps. Far from promoting common development, it has developed illegal encroachments on its neighbors' land in the region. And not to forget, hobnobbed with assorted outlaws and militia. As long as all of this helps China develop its hegemony in the region. The question, though, that must be asked of our countrymen comrades is, where do they stand in all this? While they celebrate with China, where do they stand? With Bharat or Beijing?
Everybody knows there is conflict, then peace is the solution. Government of India has not broken every relation with China. This is what we should understand. I made it very clear, there is no compromise on the territorial integrity of our country.
Nothing should be done to which harms the national interest. CPM's extraterritorial loyalties had come to the fore earlier also, but when an issue of national security is involved, every party should follow the principle of upholding national security.
You're watching the News Hour at 10, debate number 1 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
Joining us on the debate, RP Singh, National Spokesperson of the BJP, Professor Sangeet Ragi, Political Analyst, Comrade G. Devarajan, Secretary of the Central Committee in charge of International Affairs at the All India Forward Bloc, one of the participants, in fact, Atul Anjan, Senior Leader of CPI, and Vivek Srivastava, Political Analyst. But RP Singh, I want to start by asking you, Mr. D. Raja told us that India's sovereignty comes first, that will never be compromised on. You talk to China, then why can't they?
Well, there's a country's elected people who are talking to China. It's not any individual. I mean, it's like Muhammad Mustafa saying that I will talk to Pakistan directly, I'll deal with Pakistan directly. And it's not happening for the first time. I mean, when Galwan was happening, what did the Gan Shakti publish? What was the stand of Mr. Yechuri at that time? So we all know how things shape up as well as Communist Party of India. They still believe that Communist Party of China and Communist Party of India are the same party, and it's like father-son relation they have with them. So that's why that's the concern. And then when the ruling party, even the opposition, Congress for that regard, didn't participate, they also got invitations. But why would Communist Party do that?
Okay, let's ask Comrade Devarajan. You were there, sir. Your loyalty is suspect.
Yes, I was there.
It's being questioned. Your loyalty to the country is being questioned now.
Yes. No. How it can be? See, BJP has no right to question the integrity of other political parties and other political party leaders. See, what is the occasion? See, Communist Party of China is celebrating their centenary of their foundation. So the CPC is having party-to-party relation with like-minded political parties across the globe. So on this occasion, they are organizing a series of programs. And already they had done number of seminars in different countries. Even there was a World Political Party Summit also they have organized on 6th of July, in which 22 president and prime ministers of different countries and the Chinese president himself addressed as a key speaker there. And we were also participated. Then again, this Chinese embassy has organized one seminar, and that is only on sharing the experience and exchange of views. So we just participated in that seminar,
So-
and we are
so
a party
Galwan
that
was brought up
we are
over
having
there.
party-to-party relation with the Chinese Communist Party. So
Galwan
it
was
has-
brought up over
see,
there. Could you just give us an insight about what was
See-
said by the Indians present there in the seminar when the ambassador spoke about Galwan and other areas?
See, our foreign minister said our relation is profoundly disturbed. So what I am asking that Comrade Raja was
Sir,
telling.
we
it
will
is
come
very
to that.
true
We will
whether
come to
we
that,
are
sir, in a
we are
minute. But
engaged
since
in
you
a
were
war with
present,
China.
we would like to hear from you that when China broached the issue of Galwan, what was your reaction? What did you say?
No.
What did
no,
Mr.
no. You see,
Yechuri
there
say?
is no such. There was no such. There was no such discussion about the border issue or any other outstanding issue. We never discussed. It is only congratulatory message, and they have informed about the journey which they have traversed the last 100 years. And we also shared some of our experience with the Chinese Communist Party relation and our exchange of views and all. Nothing. It has nothing to do with the border issues, or it has nothing to do with the tension between both the countries, which is now talking about in the border. It has nothing to do with all these issues, because we all know
Okay,
that
you
there are
say-
outstanding issues pending between both the countries.
Okay, you
And
say it
can
wasn't
be-
brought
can-
up.
No, it can be
You say-
resolved only through dialogue.
You say it wasn't
Yes.
brought up, but the readout that was put out by the Chinese embassy subsequently does make mention of Galwan as well. Professor Sangeet Ragi, it was a purely academic discussion and an exchange of ideas and experiences.
No. It is.
Can I come in?
Yes.
In fact, Communist Party of India and the Communist Party Marxist (CPM), which we know, and many other subsidiary organizations of the Communist Party, they have really acted as the non-state actors of Chinese sovereign state on Indian soil. Look at Galwan. When India was facing off with the Chinese army at Galwan, Sitaram Yechuri, the non-state actors of Chinese, were protesting against the Modi government. Look at they had no words of criticism against the Chinese government. When the Doklam was happening, again, you can't find even a single word against the Chinese by the Chinese Indian Communist Party. And the reason is very simple. If you look at Mitrokin archive, you will be finding that the Soviets fed the Communist Party of India through money. There were newspapers, they were on the rolls of the KGB. The Indian Communist parties were fed by Soviet Union earlier. Similarly, now the Chinese have invested a lot of money in the Indian political party, the journalists. You look at can you believe?
No.
that when
Are you suggesting that Comrade Devrajan or an Atul Anjan or a Vivek Srivastava are Chinese assets when you say that the Chinese Communist Party has invested in them?
I completely endorse it, because they are the one who have been acting. They have never attacked the Chinese imperialism. They will appreciate the Chinese capitalism.
Comrade
If
Devrajan.
the Americans intervene somewhere, they will be very
Who
critical
told you all
of.
these things?
But still,
No, you cannot make such a statement. You cannot make such statement.
no, why can't I make
you
the
cannot
statement,
make
sir?
such a
Why can't I
statement.
make the statement? Your behavior and your conduct
No,
is
no, no, no.
anti-national.
You see,
Your behavior
you
and
cannot
thoroughly
make,
you are
you cannot
thoroughly you
make
are
such a
corrupt.
statement. Yes, no.
Your behavior is completely
we are more
anti-national,
Indian than you.
anti-Indian.
We are
You have
more
been
Indian than you. We
fed
know
by the
your role
Chinese
during the freedom
and the
movement.
Soviets.
No, you have no right to.
I am
Not
quoting
at all. You have
can
no
read-
right. No. We
you
know
can
the role you
read
have
page
played
number
during the
three-
freedom movement.
3 through 3.
We are more Indian than you.
Rajeshwar
We are
Rao
more
was fed
Indian
money by
than
the
you.
Soviets.
You have no right to
Sir,
question our
Rajeshwar
integrity.
Gange was fed money by the Soviets. The CPM is fed money by the Chinese. Who doesn't know? Who doesn't know, sir? When the students were soaked
we
in the
know.
blood in
No, we
Tiananmen
know
Square,
what was the role
your
you played.
Chinese
No,
agent, Chinese agent on the Indian soil, Sitaram Yechuri was speaking the language of the CPI, Communist Party of China in JNU. Don't we know this? They were.
Gentlemen, you
he
have
had
no-
brought
no,
in
no,
in
no, no,
JNU
gentlemen,
the
keep
propaganda
some-
film that were provided
No, no.
to them by the Chinese embassy.
And if I may just bring in Atul Anjan also as
Gentlemen,
well.
keep some mutual respect. You cannot call these leaders like that.
Mr. Anjan, if I could just bring you in for a second, because, you know, it's all very well to participate in this. Apparently, when the Chinese ambassador was making a speech, and I'm quoting from what the Chinese embassy has put out as the text of his speech, he says, the CPC is a political party that seeks happiness of the Chinese people and strives for the cause of human progress. Isn't it then incumbent on the participants to point out that close to 1 million people are currently interned by this same country, the same people who talk about human rights and the lack thereof in India when participating in this celebration? Did you bring up, should they have brought up the issue of the internment of the so-called Chinese people whose happiness the CPC seeks?
I think a lot of things are being, pushed for the discussion. From Soviet Union to this, I just want to tell this gentleman who comes on the television sometime as a Delhi University professor,
Okay,
sometime
nothing
as a
personal.
RSS vicharak, sometime is a
Mr.
political.
Anjan,
No,
please,
nothing
Mr.
personal.
Anjan,
There is
please
a-
limit yourself to
Mr.
what you are talking about.
Mr.
I
Anjan knows
can't-
everything
I
about.
can't-
I am
can
talking
also
about.
say,
Hey,
you were
Mr.
slapped by the
Ragi,
girls in
don't
Kanpur.
play any
Spreading
rag.
is this
Tell me,
matter to the
I have
national
not
television.
spoken a single
Mr.
word when you
Anjan,
were
you were
speaking.
slapped
Let
by
me
the
speak.
women
Let me
and by the
speak.
girls
Let me
in
disclose
Kanpur
your identity.
and also in
Let me
Lucknow
speak and
by
let
the
me
girls
disclose your identity.
just for your misbehavior.
You are
Should I bring in your
Okay, gentlemen, I'm going to request you. I'm going to request you, if we go down this rabbit hole, if we go down this rabbit hole, it's not going to end well for anyone, and it will just be an endless cacophony. Mr. Atul Anjan, I am requesting you, please limit yourself to the topic and not to personal attacks on anyone.
You are reading a lot in Chinese ambassadors, you see.
Yes.
Chinese ambassadors, you
I
see.
am quoting verbatim from what the Chinese ambassador said.
I have said, what? Should I speak or should you intervene?
Go on.
No, you go ahead. You first go ahead, then I will speak. No.
It's all yours.
How many questions? How many 3 minutes times you have spoken? I have not spoken even 20 seconds.
So you've spoken for 2.5 minutes.
Is
but
it the
go
way
on.
of discussion?
No, Mr.
Would you like
Anjan.
to-
Okay, one
No,
by one,
Mr.
one by one.
Anjan,
Mr. Atul Anjan, now you speak, but please answer my very specific question. If you went for a celebration of a country which has put people in camps,
Just pull out the question. Listen.
would you
put
participate
all
in the
question, I
celebration
will
of a
reply.
country that has put people in camps? Go on.
No, you put all the question, I will reply.
Yes, that is the one
I
question.
just want to tell your viewers, you just pull all the questions. No, you put all the question, I will reply. And don't interfere.
Okay.
Tell me, you just put the question.
That is my question. Will you participate in the celebration of a country that puts its people in camps and then comes on that celebration and says, we seek the happiness of people?
Concentration,
Go on, Mr. Atul Anjan.
Nobody
Concentration
should interfere.
camp, concentration
Nobody
camp, not
should
camp.
interfere. I just want to say the you know everything. You are creating India as a concentration camp. My dear Ragi,
No, Mr.
concentration
Anjan,
camp you are making
Mr.
India.
Anjan,
And
have
all
at
out
least
of
minimum
560
courtesy and
people who were
morality
detained
to
under the
condemn
DIR and
the Chinese
UPSA,
concentration
all were
camp,
let loose.
a human
Only
rights
13
violation in
people
China.
were left
But you
and
will
all
not be
were
because
left
you are
free
people are
by the
morally
Supreme
corrupt.
Court of India. And the
Freed
Supreme
of the
Court of
Chinese
India
capital.
said, don't use.
You have been freed
Don't
on the
use
Chinese
this
capital.
act.
You behave like
That
this
is
to the
sedition
Chinese
act
and the
for
Soviets on the
everybody.
Indian soil.
You have no face to show. You have no face to show as a Democrat. You, the killer of the Mahatma
Okay.
Gandhi.
Again, we are going down this road of rhetoric.
Come on,
Mr. Anjan, I have given you the last 5 minutes to answer a simple question. And the question that has been asked is asked not by Professor Sangeet Ragi or by R.P. Singh. It is asked by human rights organizations. Let me quote to you from an organization that works against modern day slavery, Freedom United, and they have quoted an Uyghur as saying, if the Chinese government tells you to work, you work. 1 million people since 2017 have been documented by Freedom United as people in concentration camps. Is this what you're celebrating? And let me tell you, when we asked Mr. D. Raja about what was discussed and whether he agrees with the celebrations that happened, just a second, can I please get silence for 10 seconds? Let me tell you what Mr. D. Raja said. He said they have a great socialist model which we must emulate since they have lifted people out of poverty. Do we not know? History has told us millions starved in the Great March of China, and that is the socialist model we are celebrating and are supposed to emulate, sir.
Accepted. And
Mr. Atul Anjan?
Yes, we get the money.
These
क्या पीछे
comrades
देखो ना क्या लगाए हुए कहाँ से छूट रहा है क्या खेल करते हो लेकर के आते छोटे छोटे
मतलब देश में आपको अतुल अंजान जी आपको यहाँ पर कंसंट्रेशन कैंप्स दिखाई दे रहे हैं और चाइना में जो कैंप्स हैं इट इज अ ग्रेट सोशलिस्ट मॉडल
आपने आप किससे बात कर रही हैं नहीं आप किससे बात कर रही हैं आपके पिताजी आजादी की लड़ाई में जेल थे मेरे पिताजी तो 18 साल जेल
ये बात सही नहीं
क्या बात करते हैं
let's not bring down the level of discourse so sad sir you are a learned person I respect you families को मत घसीटे अंदर very sad I am going to just reduce the audio for 30 seconds because I respect you and I don't want to engage in this personal banter with you or to say disrespectful things. I want to bring in Comrade Devarajan again. Do you agree that this is a great socialist model that you celebrated, sir, and we are now being told to emulate?
See, it is an ideological question. See, that each country should adopt their own form of socialism according to their circumstances and requirements. That is a general idea. China is doing their own form of socialism, Chinese characteristics, with Chinese characteristics. Let them do it. See, it has nothing to do with their ideology or these outstanding issues with India and China. This seminar is only for their centenary celebration of their founding anniversary. It has nothing to do. See, kindly permit me to talk 1 minute. So they say, I have some questions.
Yes.
So you have to answer
yes.
to the public. See, whether India is engaged in a war with China right now, whether India has disconnected its entire diplomatic relation with China right now, whether India's trade relation is become totally disconnected right now, no. Everybody is talking. How many Chinese students are studying in India? How many Indian students are studying in China? How many Indian people are invested in China? How many Chinese companies are invested in India? You know, during this pandemic period, the trade between India and China has been rose a very significant 62.7%.
Yes, Mr. R.P. Singh, I'll let you respond. Let him finish. Let Mr. Devarajan finish and then you respond in full.
No, you cannot talk. No, you cannot interfere such a way. What you are talking about, that why you are talking, you are engaging with the Chinese Communist Party. My pertinent question is,
please, can I have Comrade Devarajan finish what he is saying? And then Mr. R.P. Singh, you will respond in full. But till then, please, allow him to finish his point. Yes.
Trade between India and China has rose in very significantly. India's export to China has increased 69.6% during the last 6 months of 2021. I am talking about during the period of this pandemic. India's import has been raised 60.4% during this last 6 months. If you compare with the 2019 and 20, it is increased. What does it mean? The trade relation is growing. India's export, cotton, iron and ore, we are exporting. We are importing medical equipments.
Okay.
You know, this pandemic period, we are importing medical equipments from China. So our relation of trade relation is increasing.
Let
Political
the BJP
relation
respond.
must be increased.
RP Singh.
So, see, when you are having
You
some
trade,
outstanding
you
issues,
meet, you
then
engage, but when the left does it, when the DMK does it, their loyalty is questioned. Why?
No, you have.
They have not answered the basic question. What can I was
Yes.
told to stop and I stopped. Can I
It's Mr. R.P. Singh's
raise the
time.
question
Yes.
now? The question is about Galwan. Your question is about Galwan. Was Galwan discussed? What was China's stand and what was the left party's stand on Galwan? Let me read out one part of the China left party statement. It said during Galwan, the government of India should come out with an authoritative statement, as so did actually it happen. It imperative that both government immediately initiate high talks to defuse the situation and advance the process of disengagement on the basis of agreed understanding, maintaining the peace and tranquility to the border. When we are fighting, it was the day when our soldiers were killed by the Chinese soldiers. So this is the statement. Also on Doklam, they said leave Doklam to Bhutan. Why you have to intervene in Doklam? They'll go by 1984 status. This is their official statement. So my question is very, very precise. What was the Chinese stand and what does Communist Party of India stand? All communists who are participating from India about Galwan.
Vivek Srivastava.
There's an issue which is happening. There's a war which is happening.
Mr. Srivastava.
Now I'll answer this question. Okay. Now see, I think R.B. Singh doesn't know, and maybe I need to educate him, that Marxists all over the world have been collecting together and discussing the various strategies, the various ideologies, the economic issues all over the world since 1900s, early 1900s. That includes the Communist Party of America, the Communist Party of Australia, the Communist Party of Japan, the Communist Party of Vietnam, the Communist Party of India, and so on and so forth. So these are academic exercises because Das Kapital and Marxism is the base according to which we feel the society should run. Now this particular meeting, Comrade Devarajan has very rightly said, it was an academic and a cosmetic meeting which was not political in nature, and Galwan was not discussed. That is very clear. अरे सर सुनिए पहले आप हमें देशभक्ति मत सिखाइए. 35 साल बंगाल में रहे हैं, 25 साल त्रिपुरा, 10 साल मणिपुर और अनेकों साल केरल, and I don't need a certificate from the BJP to declare who the patriot. हाँ, सुनिए आप पहले, जब आपकी पार्टी की एक सीट
1962 के अंदर आपने क्या किया था? लड्डू बांट रहे थे आप 1962 के अंदर. 1962 के अंदर लड्डू बांट रहे थे ना आप. आपने ब्लड डोनेशन कैंप लगाने से मना कर दिया था. आपने वी अच्युतानंद को सैक कर दिया था. आपने वी अच्युतानंद को क्यों सैक किया था पार्टी से?
अस्तित्व नहीं था इस देश.
आपने वी अच्युतानंद को क्यों सैक किया था पार्टी में? 1962 में क्या किया था आपने? यू ब्लैक सेफ द कंट्री.
पहले आपको कुछ नहीं मालूम है. और जब आप अंग्रेजों
आपने पूरा गवर्नमेंट हिंदुस्तान के 1962 में आपने रोल पता.
let me tell you this, Mr. Srivastava. You are saying, and so is Comrade Devarajan, that nothing was said about Galwan or nothing was said about what's happening in Ladakh, even though the statement by China subsequently mentions both of them.
We do not need a certificate from the likes of BJP. We do not need
BJP will not. Nobody can give a certificate. It's ultimately the people who will make up their mind. But
you should have certificate.
And how dare anybody
you are a country
that we are not patriotic in this is not our country.
You know, yesterday, let me tell you, Mr. Atul Anjan, that even as this celebration was happening and this academic seminar was happening, do you know what China said? And this is soon after US Secretary of State Antony Blinken. He basically questioned the democracy and said that democracy is a common value of humanity. Basically, Blinken had pointed a finger at China, and had spoken about the lack of democracy thereof. After that, the Chinese Foreign Ministry launched into a tirade. And this is what they said with reference to India, Mr. Anjan. They said, in some countries...
Such a long speech.
Sir, I have to read out what the Chinese Foreign Ministry said. It's not a speech. I have to read out what the Chinese Foreign Ministry said.
How I will reply?
The Chinese Foreign Ministry is very verbose. What can I do? So this is what the Chinese Foreign Ministry said vis-a-vis India yesterday. Let me tell you. Let me just quote to you that much. The Chinese Foreign Ministry says, in some countries, without money, you cannot get votes. Political parties place their interests above that of the people. Is this democracy or the rise of the wealthy? Some democratic countries contain others' development. Is this democracy or hegemony? This is what the Chinese Foreign Ministry said about India, even as Indians were celebrating China. Atul Anjan, you see the irony. Clearly the celebration is not mutual.
Will you allow me to speak?
Yes.
Will you again what? आपको कोई रोग है क्या जो आप बोलती चली जा रही हैं? सुनेंगे हमको? आप बोलने नहीं देती? सुनिए, this in India many parties are having bilateral friendly relation with the Chinese Communist Party, which includes BJP. Last year, a 20-member delegation of BJP under the leadership of the Bhupendra Yadav, who is now become the minister, has gone there. And not as the first time. When this our Arun Jaitley and many others and Javadekar and others, they had gone. They have interaction, and in the political process of the world, if the political parties may be having different ideas, they come together and exchange their views. And a party which was for 100 years, where our stake is also there, we have sent Dr. Kotnis over there, many other peoples have contributed that way. If a party is of 100 years, if we say, what is wrong in that congratulating the Chinese Communist Party 100 years? Okay, don't you, we have campaigned for the Trump again and he lost, and now we are...
Sir, do you share the view of the Chinese
American
Foreign Ministry where they are saying that India is not a democracy? It is a place where votes are bought with money.
अभी कल उसको गाली बक रही थी जो बिडेन को, और आज उसके रिप्रेजेंटेटिव को गले लगाने की बात कर रही हैं।
कौन
इंटरनेशनल पॉलिटिक्स में होता है,
अच्छा होता है,
अंडरस्टैंडिंग में होता है। क्यों बात कर रहे हो जो बिडेन से? वो जो बिडेन की सरकार के खिलाफ तो आप कैंपेन करने गए थे, क्यों बोल रहे हो उनसे बात करने
के लिए? पहली बात, आपने जवाब नहीं दिया अतुल अंजान जी, that the admiration is not mutual. China is calling you a country where there is no democracy, and you are celebrating the Chinese model.
No, where is the democracy? What about said? What Supreme Court had said about...
So India has no democracy?
When hundreds of people in this country...
India has no democracy?
The Sedition Act. What do you have to say? You were keeping silence. Your Times Now was a silence. Your only Times of India has written something. Your Times Now never...
India has no democracy.
Don't tell me.
India has no democracy.
Times of India...
Does China have democracy?
Against the sedition.
Sir, does China have democracy?
This television channel is supporting...
Sir, does China have democracy?
This is say, all right...
Mr. Atul Anjan, does China have democracy?
Double game. Stop this one. Stop this game. Stop this game. Don't tell me the story of the democracy and democratic right.
Okay.
No right.
Democracy is a story.
Your father has
Does China have democracy in reality?
Don't have the talk. Don't have the talk. I have all the clippings. You last tell me.
Okay. Professor Sangeet Ragi respond. Then I want to bring in Comrade Devarajan as well.
The crisis.
It exploded. You know what I had started in the beginning, that these are the non-state actors, Chinese non-state actors on Indian soil. Even now they are not criticizing. The difference is that when the state meets the state, when there is a dialogue between the state, they can always go ahead with. But when a political party is acting on behest of the other political party which is in power, which represents the power structure in that very country, then you are becoming the suffering agent of that state. No, sorry, sir. I'm sorry. I'm quoting the KGB files. I'm quoting the CII files of 1985.
What
you
KGB
people have been paid
then
on
why
the
you have
money.
not taken any action?
Don't
taken?
Mr. Atul Anjan. You are thoroughly corrupt. You are thoroughly corrupt. Your
and
party
7 years
is thoroughly
of
corrupt.
Modi. You have no courage because you don't have the facts.
All use
you
money
have
from
no
the Soviet
facts.
Union and
You
China.
are
All use
here
money.
As you believe
You are
KGB
talking
files,
about democracy.
but you don't believe
Are you
Pegasus.
justifying that the
You
Chinese
believe
army
you
go
don't
to the
believe
Uyghur
Pegasus.
Muslim zone,
So this is the double standard.
rape their women,
You talk about
rape their
force,
rape their women? Do you justify? Is this the democracy? Is this the democracy you are justifying, Mr. Atul Anjan? The suppression of hundred of children, hundred of students at the Amante Square. You justify? You are man-eater. You are human-eater. Don't talk about democracy.
You know, an exchange of ideas is a great thing. But what is the idea of India? What is the idea of India that you carry, Sir Atul Anjan? That in itself is quite revelatory when you hear it from you. I want to bring in Comrade Devarajan again. Do you agree with China's assessment of how democracy is in India, where they are saying that political interests are above that of people and votes are only being bought with money, basically questioning the very idea of democracy in India?
See, no, I have a very doubt that whether it is meant for India or not. Is generally there are a number of countries, those who are, they have mentioned. I didn't think that it is mentioned about India, and China has no that type of rights. I never saw. Anyway, see, what is the question now? there was a seminar organized by Chinese embassy in India, and the parties, those who are having party-to-party relation with China, they have invited. And along with, you are talking about communist. See, two communist parties are participated. Our party, All India Forward Bloc, a socialist party, which is participated. DMK, the ruling party of Tamil Nadu, they participated. As Comrade Atul Anjan has described, number of political parties in India have visited China on the invitation of Communist Party of China. A number of delegation from Chinese Communist Party visited India on the invitation of different political parties in India. And the delegations are visiting BJP office or Chinese delegation, and the BJP delegations are visiting Chinese Communist Party office. Even Communist Party of China,
Since Galwan?
International Congress and Bharatiya Janata Party, they have
All
sent a
these visits have
congratulatory
happened
message
since
to
Galwan?
CPC in their 18th Party Congress. It is covered. See, what is the problem? What is the Galwan issue? Do you think that when China attacks India, all the Indian political parties will support China? Or the communist parties will support China?
Sangeet
Not
Ragi.
at all. And BJP has no right to question the integrity of the left parties in India. And because we are more Indian than BJP.
Every
And we
countryman
sacrifice
forget
the
about
law.
the BJP. Forget about the BJP. We are not worried about whether the BJP
And
criticizes
BJP
you or
has no
not.
right at all to
The
question the
countryman has the right to
They have
question
no
your
right at all,
integrity.
because they have
The
no
countryman
role
has
play.
have the right to question your
They need to
integrity
question about
because the
that
files in the
India,
history
China, border issues
suggest
come.
that
And
you were
no,
living
no,
on
you
the
have no
fiat
right
money
to
of the
talk.
Chinese
No,
and
sir, you have no right
the
to talk.
Soviets.
And you have mentioned
That is the
that
problem.
we are talking
Still,
from Chinese
and
and
still a
others.
lot of journalists, lot of academicians are working on behest of the Chinese agents. At behest, working as Chinese agents on Indian soil.
And you are talking about
Chinese have invested a lot of money in the Indian academia and in the journalist organizations.
Okay,
Let
in
me
one
answer.
thing, in saying
Let
one
me
thing, you're
answer
absolutely
first.
correct, is that no political party has the right to issue certificates to you, but the people of the country definitely need to know all the facts, and they will be the ultimate judge. We're just putting the facts out there. For the time being, thank you very much, all gentlemen, for having joined me on the News Hour Agenda.